What if I told you there's a new AI tool that can create viral meme videos in seconds? No editing, no expensive software. You don't even need to show your face. Sounds crazy, right? But let me show you proof. Look at this channel, Supreme's Memes. They only started in March 2025, and already they have more than 593,000 subscribers with just 131 uploads. That's over 420 million total views. Insane. And it's not just views. Stats show they're making more than $1,600 a month from ad revenue just by posting simple meme videos like this. Check out their latest uploads. One has 115,000 views. Others are hitting hundreds of thousands. This isn't luck. It's a repeatable strategy. And today, I'll break it all down, step by step. I'll show you how to use this new AI tool to make meme videos fast, easy, and ready to upload. By the end, you'll know how to pick topics, create content, and grow your own meme channel from scratch. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video. It really helps the channel. All right, let's get into it. First things first, let's create a YouTube channel. But instead of struggling to come up with a name, description, or even a logo idea, we're going to let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. No more wasting hours trying to come up with names or logos. We're going to make it super easy. I've already prepared a Google Doc with 3 ready-made prompts. One for channel names, one for the description, and one for the logo. Here's how it works. Open the doc, copy the first prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and instantly ChatGPT will give you 10 catchy channel name options. Pick the one you like best. Next, copy the second prompt from the doc and paste it into ChatGPT. This one asks for a short, fun, and engaging YouTube channel description. Hit enter, and you'll get a ready-to-use description that's perfect for your new channel. Finally, grab the third prompt for the logo. Add your chosen channel name at the end and paste it into ChatGPT. It'll generate creative logo ideas that you can then bring to life in Canva or any free design tool. Once you've got your channel name, description, and logo ready, head back into YouTube Studio, add them in, customize your banner, upload your profile picture, and fill in your About section. And boom, just like that, your channel looks professional and ready for content. Now, let's think about our very first video. The fastest way to get an idea is to look at what's trending on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a super relatable meme idea, when the Wi-Fi dies at the worst time. That's going to be both our YouTube video title and our meme text inside CapCut. It's short, funny, and instantly recognizable. Exactly what we want. Now it's time to jump into CapCut. You'll find the link in the description. Click the link and it'll take you straight to the CapCut website. From there, just hit the Start Now button and sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, this is the dashboard, the secret AI tool we're using to create our memes. And here's what I love. You're not limited to just one type of content. You'll see trending tools like fake text videos, Reddit story videos, quiz text videos, and a lot more. But for today's tutorial, we're going to focus on the pre-made meme video maker. Click on it and you'll see a library of ready-to-use meme clips. All you have to do is choose one that matches your idea. Since our meme is when the Wi-Fi dies at the worst time, a funny reaction clip works perfectly. Now paste in the meme title we came up with earlier. Customize the text style. Keep it short, bold, and easy to read. You can play with the colors, fonts, or timing to match your vibe. Once you're happy with it, click generate. And just like that, CapCut creates your meme video in seconds. No editing timeline, no complicated software. It's done and ready to upload. Let's take a look at the one we just created together. Pretty awesome, right? CapCut nailed it. Fast, funny, and ready to post. Now, before you rush to upload, let me share a few quick growth hacks. Number 1, post daily, or at least a few times a week. Meme content is short, and consistency is what drives the algorithm. Number 2, keep your titles short and relatable. People should understand the joke instantly. And number 3, don't be afraid to test different meme formats. Try reaction memes, text memes, trending templates, and see what sticks. And here's the bonus. If you want to try CapCut for yourself, use my exclusive discount code MIND for 25% off and save money when you sign up. Start your meme channel today, post your first video, and grow your channel faster than ever. If Supreme's memes could blow up to hundreds of thousands of subscribers in just a few months, why not you? Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI content tutorials, and let me know in the comments what meme idea you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.